Hello everyone, welcome to yet another tutorial. Today we are going to look at how to create an animated flag in Blender. So we will look at how to create the cloth, how to add wind, and then play with the settings to create an animated flag. Alright, so first things first, create a new file. I'll not save this one. So we don't need this cube, we don't need this light. We go to edit, preferences, and here search for images and make sure import images as planes is turned on. We'll go to add image as planes. Go to Google and find a flag that you like. Alright, so I went to India flag, images, and I selected one of the flags here. You can even type texture next to it. So this looks like a nice flag. So any one that you like. So I will go and find the flag that I saved under this file. This is the one that I'm using. So what happens is when you import images as planes, the plane is the size of the flag or the image. All right. So this will save you steps on scaling the plane if you have a correct size image. Alright, the next step is to add a mesh and a plane. This is going to be our ground, and we can add a material and make it look brown. Alright, then go to add mesh cylinder, and we're going to make the radius 0.02, so it's thin, and we'll make it 4 meters tall. Okay, so if I hit the 3 key on the numeric pad, I can move, and this is not long enough, so I'll go to tab, make sure I'm in X-ray mode, and drag this up so that I can place it in place and move it close so that it is somewhat touching the ground. So this is our basic setup. This object, if you go to physics, we're going to create a collision. Alright, so this flag is going to collide with the pole. Now this one is going to be a cloth. Alright, and before I do that, I'll go in the edit mode by hitting the tab key, and we need more segments here. So I'm going to add one segment in the middle, so this becomes like a square. Right? Then I'll select all of these, right click and say subdivide, and then maybe I'll use 15, all right, or 20, whatever it is. All right. So we have enough segments for our flag to simulate properly. Then we will go and add cloth simulation. I'll go to modify, and I will also add subdivision. I'll also go to get out of edit mode and then select shade smooth. Alright, so our flag has now cloth, it's falling down. Okay, we need to pin it, so I'll select the flag, go to tab, select these two, shift select these two, and go to object properties. Here we'll add a vertex group and assign the vertex. You can name the vertex flag tie, so that it will be tied to the pole with ropes on this side and this side. Alright, now we'll go to our cloth properties, and we will go and find shape, and we'll click on pin group, drag the flag tie. So now if you play, okay, we got to go out of the edit mode and then play. So now it is falling down, reacting with the pole, and acting like a cloth. What we need to do is collisions, and we will turn on self collision on as well. Okay, we want it to collide with itself. The other thing we need to do is add wind. So we'll go to add force field. Where is force field? Here, wind. Okay, and what happened? What did I do? Force field, wind. Right, here it is. So this is the wind, and I want to rotate it so that the wind is coming here, so the flag will try to fly. Now I'll slightly keep it up, and the strength has to be very high. So I'll try a 3000 number to start with, and then hit the play button. And now we have a flag. Even now you can see that the flag is still doesn't want to stay up. So we need to reduce all these numbers: tension 5, compression 5, shear maybe 2, bending 0.2. So we are reducing all these numbers. Play with these numbers, see what you like, and then you will get a flag that is flying in the wind. All right, so that's about it. We are done. Now you can animate the wind and then get some variation, but by default I think it's a lot of variation already there. All right, so that's about it. Thank you very much, and then in the next class we'll perhaps add some lights and render it out, and then add national anthem and have a flag flying while the national anthem is playing. Thank you very much.